I've been looking at this for a while now, and I'm so excited that I finally went ahead and got one. I'm really excited to use this for our weeds, and it's cool because you can see right here how this clamps right down there on the weeds. So let's try it out and see how well it works. I like that the instructions are already on here. You'll notice here I was not using the quick release arm, but I will show you that later on in this video. So this pulled out the entire weed as well as the root system here. And that did it effortlessly. That's amazing how quick and easy this is. This is gonna save me so much time. The first time I used this, I didn't realize that it had this sliding handle there that goes ahead and releases the weeds from it. So that's awesome. I didn't notice it and I still loved it. So don't be like me and miss one of the greatest parts of this. Go ahead and use that. If it seems like it's stuck and it won't work, just go ahead and push that foot handle down a little bit, and that'll go ahead and release it really easy. I was able to just zoom right through all of this weeding. In this area, we have some mint growing, but we also have this other weed and it is really spiky. So this is awesome. I don't hurt my hands trying to pull it out, and I would be down here for hours trying to pull out all of these weeds. This is going to save me so much time. It's going to save my back. It's going to save my knees, and it just is going to be amazing. I love how well it works and how fast it is. It is truly impressive, and I'm really glad that I went ahead and got this. I had seen it for a while and was really curious if it works, so I'm here to tell you guys that it does and that I just love it. So if you have a lot of weeding to do like I do, this is going to be excellent. It's going to save you so much time and just save your back and your knees and everything else. I mean, seriously, look at how fun that is. And look at how much of the root it really pulls up. I mean, this is a really thick root here, and it just did such an amazing job. I'm actually really impressed by this product.